Hi guys. Wow, what is wrong with my voice today? I am literally just waking up and I'm doing a decluttering video again. I stumbled upon Marie Kondo's video on Netflix. Like, I had seen it when it came out, and my sister told me about it as well. So then I started binge watching it a few days ago, and then I said to myself, okay, I really need to declutter my wardrobe because I have got so much stuff. So I don't want to talk too much. We're just gonna get right into this, like, decluttering. I am actually so excited. Like, I am actually really nervous to see the amount of stuff I have, because Marie Kondo's style is to start by putting all the stuff you own and put them out on your bed or on the floor. Just get them all out and then you start the process. So I have a lot of stuff, guys. Just brace yourself, okay? All right, this is like quarter of my wardrobe. That's like pants and like more shit, mind my language, drawers filled with clothes, more, like, they won't even open. Look, they're like, oh, that's blown out. They're like even overfilled and stuff. Anyway, and then there's that. So we're gonna I've only done this side. Like, just ignore this rubbish on there. Like, I've left my underwear in there. I'm gonna do that like last, but literally all the drawers are empty. Like, even that's broken. That's how messed up it is. Like, they're all empty and I've taken all of that out. Fudge. And this is what I've got on the pile so far. Like, I don't even know if you can see that, but it's huge. And just look at this. Look at the amount of stuff I have. Like, that is huge. What am I gonna do? Like, where do I start from? Guys, I'm so embarrassed as to the amount of stuff I had, and I actually haven't shopped in about, I think it's been 6 months now. Like, I said to myself, no more shopping, because I know I have a lot of stuff, and yeah, that's a lot. Alright, we're gonna get started into this decluttering. Alright, so we're gonna get started now. Okay, so if you haven't watched Marie Kondo's Tidying Up on Netflix, so basically just a quick thing from there is when you're decluttering, you wanna pick a piece of clothing and you think to yourself, does this bring me joy? I just spat. And if it brings you joy, you keep it. If it doesn't, then you thank it and then you give it away. And the one, if it does bring you joy, you keep it and you put it in your closet. Now, for example, I actually really do like this dress, though I haven't worn it in so long. I think about 2 years or so. I really like it. It does bring me joy, so I am keeping it. So I know I've been putting some clothes in my wardrobe, but that's because they actually do bring me joy and they're new. Like, they're fairly new. So hence why I'm just shoving it in my wardrobe. I promise I'm chucking things out, okay? it looks like nothing's changed, right? Seriously, I think I'm like quarter done, if that's even a word. And I forgot, by the way, guys, that I have clothes on the rack. Literally, I forgot about that. So once I'm done with the ones on the bed, I'm gonna have to deal with that. And this is what I've given away so far. I hope there's more. There has to be more because there's just way too much stuff, literally. So I have started halfway with, I've done these ones. I'm just not done arranging them yet because I'm not sure how I want them to be arranged. So I'm literally just getting the ones that I want, putting the ones that I want in there, and then I'm gonna get rid of the ones, and then I'm gonna arrange them once I'm basically done. So now that it's tops time, Marie Kondo actually had some certain style as to how she said to fold your top and how to like actually sit them in the drawer so you can see them. That's such a clever idea. I actually never thought about it like that, and I really like that idea. So I'm gonna fold my tops like that and my skirts and stuff like that. But my jeans, I'm not gonna fold them because I actually do put them on a hanger and I hang them on the rack so I can actually see them. But we're gonna give that folding style a go, so let's do that now. Let's take this top instead because I actually do like this stuff. This is from Pretty Little Thing. It's really good. So what she says is you put them on the floor, and from memory I think, and then you fold it halfway like so, and then you put your hand there, and then you fold it again, and you do that, and then you go, no, actually I think that's a bit too light, so you go halfway, fold that, and then I think she said you fold it 3 times. I can't remember the specific words she said, but 1, 2 and 3, and then we're gonna stand it like this in the drawer. Drawers are looking good. I haven't done the underwear part yet, but starting from pajamas, tops. I actually have a lot of tops. I actually do like this style, guys. I can actually see all my tops, like I can see the colors and stuff. So unlike before where it was actually overfilled and I could not even, like, I don't even know what was there. And I did chuck out some stuff as well because it was a lot more than this. So I am so proud of me, honestly. And what's here? So I've got shorts. I've got shorts there, some skirts and more shorts. And here, lucky last, tracksuits, pants and some tights. Look at that, it's even empty, like it's not filled up, which is good. All right, now to tackle the jeans. I'm actually done with my jeans and pants. They look good, actually. They look really, really good. And now I brought down these things because they had my bikini and caps and scarf and stuff in there. So I took them out. So that's bikinis. They're actually not much. And some hats. And then some winter stuff, which is like scarf and caps and all of that. So that goes back up there. 5 p.m. and I started at, say, so 12, 1, 2, 3. It's taking me about 4 or 5 hours, literally. I'm gonna show you the wardrobe in a second. I actually feel really like I feel really relieved. Like, it feels really good to have a clean wardrobe, you know what I mean? Like, it just feels so nice and so refreshing. The only thing that I did not actually clear was my bags. I was gonna have a look and just like rearrange them, give away some bags that I haven't used or that I maybe don't like. I looked at it the other day and there were still like the bags that I still like, so I just leave them for now. But I did look at my shoes. I gave away some shoes as well. And yeah, let's show you the wardrobe. Oh my god, the rack looks good. I sorted out some stuff. I took away some tops and I left the shoes there. All right, yeah, so those are my bags up there. I just need to rearrange them, so I'm just gonna leave them as they are, and they look really good because I changed the position as well, so they look so good. Like, honestly, I feel really relieved just looking at this. Like, they feel like the clothes that I would actually wear now, you know what I mean? And winter is coming, so that is literally like my long sleeve tops and stuff. And then we've got the jackets. So we've got the jackets like there up to here, and then those are like my long sleeve tops. So yep, winter. Oh no, there's a stain on this. Blimey. I was like, oh no, I actually did not see that. I'll have to try and soak it, and if it doesn't work, I guess bye. Oh man, I should just take that out now. I am like so relieved and I am so excited that that's done. I showed you the jeans earlier. They look good. And I ended up I sorted out my jewelries as well. I chucked out some jewelries, like they were so old and like rusty and stuff, like literally. I really like the way they look. Like, just look at that. Oh my god, just look at it. And lucky last, guys, did you know I found so much socks? Like, so much. And every time I look for my socks and I can't find them, and there is a lot, like up to like 10 pairs. Like, I'm like, what? That's the amount of clothes that I got rid of. Literally, well, that were on the hangers, that is. All of clothes that I'm actually giving away. Yeah, this is a lot more than the last batch that I gave away last year, so I'm actually really proud of myself. That's a lot. I'm gonna fold them and just put them in a bag. I gave away these shoes. These one, it's actually like it's Joe Mesa. I'm probably not saying it right, just forget that. So I haven't like worn it in forever. And this boot, I am so sad because I bought it at Bado and I bought it for like $40 probably like last year, and I really liked it. However, it is so uncomfortable that I can't even walk a long distance in the shoes. So as good as it looks, I'm giving it away. So that's all I'm giving away, guys. Oh, I feel so relieved. I hope you enjoyed me clearing my wardrobe, because I certainly like watching people decluttering their wardrobe. Like, it's so much fun. I get so much joy in that. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. To see how long the folding and the organization in my drawers will last me, I would love to know. So I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully it lasts me like good couple of months. It'll be really good because I actually really like it. Alright guys, so It is actually the next day, the day after I decluttered my clothes. In the spirit of clearing up, because I did not do my handbags and stuff yesterday, it just kept bothering me that I didn't actually do it. So I'm like, you know what, I might as well complete the whole closet, because I did the shoes as well, and I gave away some shoes which you would have already seen, but the bags I did not do. Though I haven't carried them. Oh my gosh, I can take them traveling to Hawaii. I'm going to Hawaii in September. This bag, it does not bring me joy anymore. You've served your purpose. Yeah. You've served your purpose. All right, and now on to the next. Peace. All right. Okay. Guys, I have successfully cleared my bag, decluttered too. I'm actually so happy. I'm glad I did that. Now I feel relieved and I'm not going to think about it anymore. So that's done. Oh, one more thing that I gave away. I didn't show it in my vlog yesterday. Oh yeah, I was looking this morning. I was actually showing my sister and I was like, oh, so I gave these shoes away because I never wore them, and I got them at Kmart for like $5 years ago. I never wore it, so giving it away. All right, I feel so much relieved, like I feel really relieved, and that's it. I am done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.